All right, so let's take a look at this problem. They want us to evaluate the cosine of 15 degrees, and they want an exact value for it. And our calculator only gives decimal approximations, and our unit circle doesn't have a 15 degrees. But in the skill packet, we have some sum and difference formulas to use here. We want to rewrite this 15 degrees. And one of the ways that we could rewrite it is just simply to say that 15 degrees is the same thing as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Because we have a formula that says if you're taking the cosine of the difference of two angles, that's the same thing as the cosine of A times the cosine of B plus the sine of A times the sine of B. Now notice we didn't just pick any two numbers whose difference is 15. We picked two values from the unit circle. So if we replace A with 45 degrees and B with 30 degrees, what we have is the cosine of 45 degrees times the cosine of 30 degrees, and this subtraction changes to addition in the formula, which you'll have the formula as a reference sheet on any tests or quizzes. All right, so the cosine of 45 degrees is the square root of 2 over 2. And the cosine of 30 degrees, you can use your unit circle, but it's radical 3 over 2. It's the x-coordinate at 30 degrees. Sine of 45 is radical 2 over 2. Sine of 30 is 1/2. So both of these fractions have a common denominator of 4. If we multiply these two numerators together, we can write it as a single radical, 6. And here, radical 2 times 1 is just radical 2. So here's our final answer. The cosine of 15 degrees, and you can double check it on a calculator. Let's go in and we're in radians. Let's change that to degrees. And let's take the cosine of 15 degrees. So its decimal approximation is that. Well, let's put parentheses around our numerator. And let's get the decimal approximation of our answer. And hopefully, if we've done it right, if I remember the right formula from our notes, the decimal point should be the same. And it is. All right, well, I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.